My sister.
Heidi.
Welcome back to Sister.
The
Sister. Sister.
The
Sister. Right, that's better. Right, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to do fidget train part 2. Earlier we did fidget train part 1. So we're doing 2 things right now. You can't see my face, but my sister can.
What are you doing? Why couldn't you ask to pick the tongue out?
No. So, I'm gonna put something in basically, guys. So,
Hey, why are you turning
so I want to. So, climb, add, and exit. And tuck to the floor. So the message got her on the other side now. So I take 2 pictures of paper together. So here we go. I made this fidget ball by the way, guys.
all by yourself? Away.
Right, so I'm gonna put something in first.
Okay.
What will you give me for this purple monkey noodle?
I'm
And this green marble mesh.
I'll give you this orange mochi.
Mochi? It's a monkey noodle.
And this
Put it down then.
monomex. That's in the up pile. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, guys, these are my... Actually, guys, all of these are actually my fidgets, but I just shared them with my sister.
Yeah, now down.
Right, you had something.
And what will you give me?
Hello, Mummy. Right, add
So
something.
we both love this, and it's the smell of it.
No, you love it. I like it as well. Right, I'll give you this. Put it down. This red and white snake. This yellow marble mesh. And this unicorn mushroom.
Honey, if you take all that away and just put in the simple dimple on Jack the outside.
Decline.
Fine, you won't have your favourite puppet.
It's not my favourite. It's yours. Sorry, Mochi. Right.
But I'll let you see this for the whole game.
Just drink this fruit shoot, one of you.
Why?
Because in a bit, I want to, when we go to cricket, I want to put some black currant in it.
It's already black currant flavoured. Right, guys, we've got a drink. I want some. I want a drink.
And guys and gold. Okay, can I have one more?
Addy, you don't need another drink yet. Just put it right there.
Yeah, I can.
Right, put your poppet away. Put your poppet away. Addy, put your poppet away. Wait, no, keep it there for a minute. I'm talking about that. Hey, no, put it back, Heidi. I'm talking about that puppet. Right, so. Right, I'm good. Right. I
You didn't know what to say.
Right, what will you give me
Wait,
for...
I have a bigger pile than you.
No, because you've powered up things more. What will you give me for this pea popper or peas in a pod, whatever you want to call it? Yep. And this blue monkey noodle.
I'll give you this biting and this monkey noodle. Oh, and this monkey noodle. I got no monkey noodles. And you got all of them. I want you to
Macho. Right, your turn. Okay. I really love that puppet. Hey guys, right, let me just pop it. I want you to, like, listen. By the way, guys, this is like the quiet side.
Quite loud, actually, guys.
No, it isn't as loud as the loud. And then this is the loud side. Right, so for that puppet, I'll give you this squishy, this Bobby, squishy, no, I can't hold the camera, Bobby, squishy, no, and, actually, no, instead of that, I'll give you this really good colour changing duck puppet. Decline. This is a colour changing puppet.
Said yes.
No, I meant right. Decline because this is a really, really good puppet.
Why not? Yeah.
No, I meant I'm gonna decline because it is a colour changing puppet. Right, you add
One.
only one. Sing.
Now.
Another duck. Actually, a red and white snake.
Get it.
No, you get yours first. I get mine. Right. What will you give me for a giant heart puppet?
I'll give you.
No, giant heart puppet. Take that away and put something else in it.
Okay. Oh, I'm just gonna have this one. Yeah.
Do you know what I'm pressing? I'm pressing add. Oh my god! Ah! Add a little bit. No, right, I'll do it if you just add. No, just add the giant puppet. That's all.
No, just have us.
Decline.
I love
Right.
everything.
What will you give me for my iPad case? I'm just joking. Right, what will you give me for one of my back chains because I have two? There you go. What are we giving for that? I'm getting an overhead shot, guys.
I'll give you this. I'll give you this.
Put it in then.
Cute.
It's a motor, guys. Put it in.
Wait, rabbit mochi. That's really bad for me. And stick.
Add one more thing. Sure. Right, what? Right, your turn.
For this jumbo look up. And look at me.
Right, put it down. I'll give you my jumbo heart puppet.
If you take that away and something else, I'll
I already declined. I'll do it again. I'll give you this heart puppet. Take that pea popper out your mouth. You're being exposed on YouTube, right? Put it, Heidi, it's mine. Heidi, stop putting it in. Sorry about that, guys. Right. So, guys, we're going to have to go right now because our dinner is coming. So, guys, if you like this video,
give me, not Tommy, give me a thumbs up.
guys, we have the same YouTube channel, so give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so then you get notified every time we post a new video. Bye! See you later, macaroons!